We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, continuing to fight and test key resistance levels while holding supports as we broke down in yesterday's video. And here we are with the SPY pushing upwards. In today's volatility, our SPY bot at 4:46 a.m. it sent out a bull indicator, as you see it there, sent it out over to our Discord. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 100% plus within minutes to an hour, guys, after the opening bell. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a community of members using these resources to maximize in either direction. And you can now receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility over the charts. Check out the link down below. Once again, the link is in the description and also pinned on the top comment. We look forward to have you join us. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, testing the 592 to 593 levels after breaking out and breaking the resistance from yesterday's pre-market at 585. Now, before we break it all down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity over the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and joining a community of members using these resources to maximize in either direction. Now, here we are with Tesla. Tesla is the home run of the day. It sent out a bull indicator early on at 8:15 a.m. It sent out a bear indicator and quickly it got canceled with a bull indicator that has not been canceled and has lasted all day since 8:35 a.m. And you could see it here early on, that little volatility in the 8 of the morning volatility before going back to a bull indicator. That bear indicator was just that pullback from 401 all the way down towards 399, and quickly it got canceled. And here we could see it, full strength there, full transition from yesterday's aftermarket hours on the 30-minute chart, and full strength there on 42 vision after the bell continuing, and call options have gone up for the day over 200% plus. And you guys can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to gain the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, slowing down near the 592, 593 area and rejecting off that high there almost at 594. We've talked about above 594 how crucial 595 is based off the history of the chart, and then also heading towards those 600 levels, which we're going to break down in just a moment. But when we go ahead and look at this from the bigger picture on the 1 hour, we've seen a full transition on 42 vision, and now we've hit bright green bars once again. If this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, back under a bull indicator since yesterday at 581. There was a pretty strong one there on Monday. We talked about how crucial it was to stay above 582, go towards 585. It rejected a little bit of volatility there, in the middle of the day with that bear indicator, but quickly it got canceled, and this bull indicator has been dominating here over the charts. Now, we talked about on the way back up here how crucial on the larger time frames we wanted to see bull indicators justify these moves. And when we zoom out and look at it from the 1 hour, that bull indicator got canceled yesterday, and quickly today one has popped up. But the 4 hour is the most crucial. Through this volatility, no bull indicator has popped up until today in the pre-market, and it has now confirmed, right? Since that 582 area, full transition from the dip area, as we call it, of wire fed borders to bright green bars, which is the rip area, and things can slow down up here or start to even ramp up. And that's what we need to watch, because you can see here, once those bright green bars start, they can come back to back, especially followed by a bull indicator. The strength can accelerate, and that is something to not ignore. And today, the move was pretty big. From way down here at 582 all the way up to highs of 594. We're testing key resistance levels, and the 1 day is coming back up in one single bar, everything that it's dropped in almost 4 to 5 days. And this is where it gets crucial, because, again, that bear indicator continues to dominate. We're going to be watching that closely here, because any move to the upside is not justifiable, and resistance levels can quickly reject things back down, as we've seen the last 2 times. So on this move back up, we want to see this bear indicator eventually get canceled by a bull indicator to justify the strength to the upside, because we saw that example. We gave it here as well with the bull indicator. When this pullback happened, no bear indicator popped up, and as soon as it found support and started pushing back up, the trend continued, and this was not justified at all with any possible strength of weakness, because the bull indicator was still dominating, right? You could see it there in the chart. And the same thing is happening here in the bigger picture with the bear indicator. So what are the key levels I'll be watching? Well, the first thing is support, and the first support level right now at the levels we're at is 590. Then below that is 586. To the upside, it's going to be crucial to break through 595 and then the 598 levels. So those are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. The bull and bear indicators, I would not ignore them. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and check out the link down below. You can now get connected to 42 Vision and gain the edge and clarity that you deserve within the charts. And let's make some money.